It is our speaking part. Now, how to speak, how to give your reply. First question goes to Karan.
Yeah.
Give me answer of if we stop using oil or petrol and diesel and we start to use solar energy for running the cars, running the electricity, for releasing the pollution free, for making the earth pollution free. So what will happen? What do you think that it is good or bad, and what are the things will be happen, and what is your views about that?
Okay, ma'am. Now I think it is only good on not in evening time, ma'am. It is good for morning till evening. It is good. Then in night we cannot be able to go to anywhere because their solar energy will gain by only sun and rays of sun, and we cannot able to gain the solar energy. That's
But
why, ma'am.
we can preserve
So
the
I
solar
think that-
energy. We can preserve the solar energy.
Ma'am, but if we are not able to preserve, then what we will do?
We have plenty of that means plenty of techniques are there, plenty of things are there, plenty of opportunities, plenty of scientific systems are there. So we most of the thing is that now the researches are there. So all these researches will help us to preserve the solar energy.
Okay, ma'am, please. We are okay, ma'am. We are able to preserve, but it is not, ma'am. But it is not there.
Solar energy for releasing the.
So we cannot predict that it will be happen or not. So good. Then there is no things we have to spend money because in diesels, petrols, we are overpriced and some are not able to afford it. But then everyone can afford.
Very good answer.
And I think our economy was also increased.
Very good
It
answer.
helps in increasing our economy.
Very good answer. Very nice. Very brilliant answer you have given. Thank you. Why do you feel shy?
Shy?
Yeah. Why do you feel shy? When sometime I say that on the video, you do not on the video because of feeling shy. So why do you do so?
No, shy means shame.
Yeah. It is your question. It is your question. Answer me.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, when you told to me that come on video, I think that sometimes I feel very nervous, ma'am, on video call, on live in class, because I think I am not doing better, and I can do better much more. And that's why I feel and I relax some things that I think I'm not doing well, and if I am doing well, I will do well. Then, ma'am, I feel, ma'am, same on the front of camera, because from the starting, from my childhood, ma'am, I am not fond of pictures in camera, mobile phone, because these are some reasons. That's why I am
So
not
do you think
on
that
camera.
it is really very good to do that?
Yeah, ma'am, this is. Maybe if we will come on camera, then we can then we can talk to others with freely mind, and we can not nervous at the time of talking because our hesitations will finish. Yeah, ma'am, these are some benefits in front of camera.
From
If I
September
will come.
1st, from 1st September, everybody will on the video.
Okay.
Are you getting shivering? Are you shivering? You went to school, you did your homework, but you forgot to keep the homework notebook where you have done homework, that one in your bag. And in the school you are not getting the homework note. And you just got reminded that, oh, you have left it at home. What you will be doing at that time?
And at that time,
At that time.
ma'am, at that time, if the teacher or sir is absent, ma'am, then nothing will I do. Ma'am, if there is a period of the sir and they came to school, first of all, I think to left the bunk the period. If I really success in that, then nothing I do. And next period I came. If there by some problem I'm not able to do that, then nothing I will.
You are already in the
Your
class.
teacher will
You
make me-
are already in the class and discovered,
Okay.
suddenly you discovered that your notebook, your homework book is not there in your bag. At that time your sir is asking you to show him your homework. At that time you discovered that that one is not there in your bag. So what will be doing at that time? That's the
Ma'am, what
question.
will I do, ma'am? I will get the punishment.
No, you will get what it is not. What will be doing? What will be? You will be sitting like anything, or you will be trying to write in your any one copy from others, or you will be talking to sirs or request him not to say anything because you left it at home. Many things are there. What are the many works are there? So what will be your plan after that?
Ma'am, first of all, sir will not listen to me.
Okay, then.
Then, ma'am, he hit me or he'll give punishment to me. Ma'am, because I know that he will get the chance to hit me. Wants a chance.
Sir will get the chance to. Okay.
Wants.
Okay, I think I don't know what is this. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you for your answer. Whatever your feeling is there, you have shared your answer. Very good. You have gone to a meeting. You are attending a meeting. Suddenly you got a call from home. Simply, you have to come at home. Simply. So what will be your reaction? What will be doing?
Ma'am, after finishing the meeting or mid of the meeting?
In the time of meeting, within the meeting, call has come to go. And now what will be your reaction? What will be doing? You will be going or not? If you go, then why? If you do not go, then why?
Okay. First, ma'am, if I am in meeting, and meeting is very important for our career, for our for my tomorrow, then I will also attend the meeting. And because in my meeting, our seniors will come and they also encourage to me, and they also increase my strength, my energy, and also my knowledge. But suddenly, if phone call will come at the time of the meeting in mid from my home, first I will ask. First I will ignore it, but suddenly if another time phone call will come, then I will attend it and I will ask how they are trying to calling me and what happened. If everything is okay, then I will not come back for home. But if anything happens, then I will try to come back for my home, because I think meeting will come also. I can attend meeting again next month or after 10 to 20 days if any hazards is come in front of my family, then first my responsibility is to take care of my family, because if I am doing the job, I am attending a meeting, it's only for my family, because I cannot compromise. I can't compromise with my family. Family is my first and first priority. Beyond the family, I can accept everything.
Very good answer. Very nice. I loved the way you have the mentality of love and care for your family. Very nice.